What if the ground beneath you suddenly moved? Not on Earth, but on Mars. Earthquakes feel familiar, but Marsquakes tell a very different story. Same idea, shaking ground, yet driven by entirely different forces. To understand why, we need to look beneath the surface.
Because earthquakes begin deep inside a planet's body. On Earth, the crust is broken into massive moving plates. These plates grind, collide, and slide past one another.
Stress builds quietly, sometimes for centuries.
Then, suddenly, it releases. That sudden release is an earthquake. Earth's interior is still hot and energetic. Heat keeps the plates moving.
And movement creates frequent earthquakes.
Many are small, some are devastating. But almost all are fast and violent.
Mars, however, plays by different rules.
Its crust is mostly one solid shell. No drifting plates, no constant collisions. For years, scientists thought that meant no quakes. They were wrong. Mars does shake, just not like Earth. These are Marsquakes. They don't come from plate collisions. No boundary lines, only internal stress zones.
They come from a planet slowly cooling.
And shrinking over time. Imagine a drying apple forming cracks. Mars experiences something similar on a massive scale. As it cools, its crust tightens and breaks. Each break releases energy. That energy becomes a Marsquake.
Here's the key difference: strength versus duration.
Earthquakes are usually stronger.
Marsquakes are usually weaker.
But Marsquakes last much longer.
Listen closely, for the future is now. The sound you hear is the beginning of a new world.
Earth absorbs seismic energy quickly.
Water and softer rocks act like shock absorbers.
Mars is drier and stiffer inside.
So vibrations travel farther.
And fade more slowly. Standing on Earth, you feel earthquakes immediately. Standing on Mars, you might feel nothing.
Yet instruments detect subtle motion.
And science listens carefully.
This quiet environment is a scientific advantage. Earth's noise can mask small signals.
Mars offers cleaner seismic recordings.
Even with just one station.
Every Marsquake becomes valuable.
Seismic waves reveal internal layers.
On Earth, we confirmed a dense metallic core.
On Mars, the core surprised scientists.
It's larger than expected.
And lighter in composition.
That difference matters deeply. Earth's core still generates a magnetic field. Mars lost its magnetic shield long ago.
Without protection, its atmosphere escaped.
Earthquakes and Marsquakes reveal that history. Earthquakes reshape the surface constantly.
Marsquakes mostly reshape the interior story.
One plant renews itself.
The other slowly settles. Both are part of planetary life cycles.
Frequency also differs greatly.
Earth experiences thousands of quakes daily. Mars experiences far fewer. But each one travels farther.
Giving scientists deeper insight. Some Marsquakes link to ancient volcanoes.
Long extinct, yet still adjusting internally.
Earth's volcanoes remain active and dynamic.
Another sign of internal energy difference.
Heat drives motion.
Motion drives earthquakes. Stillness creates Marsquakes instead.
Quiet stress, released gently.
Yet scientifically powerful. Because clarity matters more than force. Imagine Earth without earthquakes.
No plate motion, no renewal.
That's closer to Mars today.
Once I was vibrant, teeming with life.
Earth, by contrast, is still restless.
Restlessness keeps it habitable.
Mars shows what happens without it.
Earthquakes and Marsquakes mark that difference.
Two worlds, two destinies.
Look at the P-wave arrival times on both.
The Martian quake is significantly deeper, even compared to the recent Earth event.
Because comparison reveals hidden truths. Not just about Mars. But about Earth's future.
And planetary evolution everywhere.
Marsquakes are quieter lessons.
Earthquakes are loud reminders.
The atmospheric composition here on Jupiter is dominated by hydrogen.
And that contrasts sharply with the data for Mars.
The orbital mechanics differ significantly.
Yeah.
Both come from energy deep below. One shakes cities.
The other shakes data charts.
One demands survival.
The other invites understanding.
Both are essential signals. Marsquakes proved Mars isn't dead. Earthquakes prove Earth is alive.
Life and motion are connected.
Even for planets.
Especially for planets. Earthquakes rebuild landscapes over time.
Marsquakes rebuild knowledge instead.
One changes terrain.
The other changes understanding.
Both shape our future. If humans live on Mars someday,
Marsquakes will matter for safety.
just as earthquakes matter on Earth. Different risks, same science.
Understanding saves lives.
Earthquakes warn us of power. Marsquakes warn us of time. Time-cooling worlds.
Time shaping destiny.
Time written in stone.
So when we compare these quakes,
we compare two planetary hearts.
One beating fast.
One beating slowly.
Both still beating.
Earthquakes shout.
Marsquakes whisper.
Science listens to both, because both tell the truth.
To understand who we are, we must look beyond the worlds we know and into the universe that holds us all.
Two worlds, same physics. Different outcomes.
Different futures. Connected by vibration.
Connected by time.
Earthquakes and Marsquakes are not rivals.
They are chapters of the same story. A story of energy and change.
Written beneath our feet. On every world.
Understanding them changes how we see planets.
From up here, you can see it all. Every life, every story, including our own.
Because Earth is not guaranteed forever.
Mars reminds us of that.
One quake at a time.